The other two vegetables we're going to be adding here are mushrooms and zucchini. So we're also going to slice our mushrooms as we did our red peppers and onions. Then we're going to take our zucchini and we're going to cut off the ends. And we're going to do these like we did the carrots. Oop. And little discs. Alright, now we're going to prepare our rosemary. So what you can do is either pick off each leaf individually like that. You can grab about 3/4 of the way up, and you can tell where, it starts to get soft. That's where you want to grab, and then you can just pull down, and all of the little leaves will come off. Then you can go ahead and pick the leaves off the top, avoiding the stem. Rinse and turn, and then we'll cut it until there are no large parts of the leaf left.